Travel Services. How may I help?
Hey, Roxy.
Hey, if it isn't my favorite agent, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Well, I'm here balancing my business and my other business.
I know, and you're doing a great job.
Well, thank you. It means a lot coming from you.
You're welcome, Roxy.
I've been meaning to tell you this. You gave me a scare with your last appointment here. You went completely off grid at one point.
It was necessary. I feel like they were onto me, so I had to go down.
Please don't scare me like that again.
It comes with the territory.
I totally understand. So, what can I do for you today?
Alright, Roxy, so I need you to link an undercover agent for me.
Not a problem. Would that be Raymond Savage by any chance?
Yes.
He's off the grid.
He's not using his burner phone?
No. You are aware that Mr. Mullins put him on an indefinite suspension, right?
Yeah, but we usually still have to use our burner.
Well, it seems his is turned off.
Hope I know what I think,
What's happening with him?
Long story. Check the tracker on his car.
It's been in one place for the last 72 hours. Guess he's chilling at home.
Not Savage. I'm just using a different vehicle. Roxy, do something for me. Check if there has been any vigilante killings over the last 72 hours.
Sure thing. Give me a minute. 2 men were killed in a bar, suspected rapist. Another one killed in Healy Heights. It's suspected that he's a part of a human trafficking ring. 2 bodies were also found in a cemetery.
All gunshot wounds?
Yes, heart and head.
Savage.
Wait, are you saying Savage is responsible for these vigilante-style killing?
I'm not sure. That was just me thinking out loud. Thanks, Roxy. We keep in touch.
Okay, hope I was of some help.
Yes, you were. Talk soon.
Please take care.
I like you, a lot. You're a strong-willed woman with a lot of morals and values. Because anyhow you ever try to stand up in my way, I see you